What's up, guys? Super Duper Boy here, and today I'm back in Universe Sandbox. Yay! It's been a long time since I played this. First, I would like to make a shout out to somebody named Simon Senaviev. I hope I got that right. Anyways, he left a comment on one of my older Universe Sandbox videos saying, "You know nothing about space. Just stop playing this game." But it was on one of my Universe Sandbox videos, so he reminded me about the game. So now I'm playing it. So yeah, thanks. Anyways, in this video, I think instead of I usually make like stuff way bigger. I'm actually gonna make it smaller. Like, what happens if I make the sun like radius? Way down, like 100,000. Wait, that's like 10,000. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's so tiny. It's a cute little sun. Actually, to be completely honest, it's still kind of big because 10,000 kilometers wide is a lot. But so let's make the time faster now. Let's see what effect it has. So it's getting much colder on planets. Oh wait, hotter I mean. Yeah, colder or hotter? I don't know. It just keeps changing. This is weird. It keeps changing up and down. Okay, the rotations are definitely messed up. I think, is it just me or are they shorter? The rotations, it looks like they're moving a little faster. Maybe not. Mercury moves really fast. Look how slow Jupiter is. Does this orbit the sun? Probably. This is the farthest thing out. Is it Sedna? I think it's this. But yeah, everything's rotation is messed up. Right here is like the central universe. Doesn't seem like that much is actually messed up though. Like, they're still doing their normal rotations. Let's check out Earth. It's probably like frozen. What's the temperature? That's really cold. Oh my gosh, that's so cold. And look at this. There's giant cities on it still. Which, I don't know. Doubt anybody lives there. Also, you can tell, look, it's going a little bit inwards, it looks like. Doesn't look like it has massive effects on stuff. Yeah, they're definitely going inwards. Let me speed this up, like, even more. To, like, years. Oh, simulation can't run faster. Well, it doesn't really look like much can happen. Let's just... I'm gonna make it slower. Pluto, the temperature on Pluto is minus 241 degrees Celsius. That is like freezing. It's completely dark, you can't see it. Okay, let's make a new empty simulation. I have an idea. Earth, the size of a tennis ball. Oh, it was lagging for a second. Here, yeah. Okay, Earth. Just Earth. Now we need a tennis ball. Just objects. I guess a golf ball would work too. I think they're pretty similar in size. Okay, I can't even see it. There it is. It's orbiting. Wait, I want to see it. How big it is. Golf ball. 2.13 centimeters. Okay, Earth. Ready? So first we should change it to centimeters. No? Oh, that's mass. Oops. Centimeters. Okay. And do 2.13. Oh! It's gone! No, 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 wait! Earth? Where's Earth? No! It's so small! Eh. Okay, Earth, where are you? I can't find it. Where did everything go? Oh. It's somewhere in there. Has to be like right in the center. Oh no. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna try this one more time. But I think I'm gonna just like, yeah. Oh, what are you doing, Earth? Wait. We don't need the time to be that fast. Okay. That's a lot of centimeters also. 2.13. I'm just gonna zoom in. Oh no! Where is it? It should have a trail, right? I think it just disappears. Okay, fine. Maybe we won't. Maybe I won't do that small. Is that it right there? I'm not gonna do that small then. I'm gonna place down an Earth. It won't let me place down Earth. Oh. Okay, how about just 1 kilometer? Hee. Oh, it's a little Earth. Oh, it just like died. Earth, no! Everything's dead. How could this happen? Oh no. Okay. Oh, I'm just like, wait, the mass must be really high. Earth is getting compressed. Oh, I can't even zoom in more. Oh wait, yeah, I can a little. Only like, it's only 300 meters. Will it blow up? Ah. What's the temperature? Kind of normal actually. The size is definitely not normal. Imagine Earth that's 124 meters. You could just jog around it a few times a day. Like some countries would be less than a meter. Or even less than a foot. Okay, now it's getting really small. There's a little dust. Is this like dust? Oh, what just happened? Look at all this dust everywhere. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. And it makes this like glowing effect. It's a lot of dust. Like, just like really tiny stuff. Oh wait, it's actually like 3.5 meters, 4 meters. So they're not that tiny. Okay, let's go back to Earth. We can click on it. Ah. Uh oh, it disappeared again. There we go. Earth and all of its dust particles. You could just get a little smaller. 64. But I'm gonna keep going until it's just microscopic. Okay, now it's at the point where like it's like you can jump across this entire like lake maybe. Great Lakes. It's like so tiny. Like the oceans are like a swimming pool, even though the oceans are gone. They wouldn't actually be deep enough. They would be like a centimeter deep. If it was like the Earth was 20 meters. Okay, 15. How are the dust particles looking? Yeah, they're still kind of big, so it's hard to click on it because there's all these other like big dust things. I can't click on Earth. 15 meters. Just keep going, just keep going. I wonder if anybody lives here. Like, oops, just made it a little bigger somehow. Like, a person would be really big. Just keep going down. Now its mass is getting like much smaller really fast. Uh-oh. It's gonna come like a... I think it's... Wait, maybe this gas stuff. What if this was becoming a tiny gas planet? Maybe. Maybe. We'll just have to see. Yeah, this could be gas. Look at this stuff. Some of these circles are really big. Like, what's this really... What was that really big circle? That. What's that? Okay, Earth. Your little 4-meter thing. Oh, that's really dense gas. Oh, Earth is so tiny. Like, you can even see the edges now. Let's compare it to an object like a baseball. Look, it's a baseball. What's something that's like as big as a person? Ooh. Well, this is not. What about a police box? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it a little farther out. Oh! Let's make it so it can get crashed to the police box. Doctor Who. Oh man, this is really messing it up. Okay. Back to Earth then. Baseball. The baseball's still nothing compared to Earth though. Wait a minute. Is it going towards it? What happens if we speed up? Whoa! Saturn V just crashed into the Earth. I think it just destroyed Earth. Where is the Earth? No! I found the golf ball, which is cool. Yay. So where is Earth? Okay, we're back at 5-meter Earth. Let me just add a few objects. That was a mistake. That was a weird sound I made. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't want to put the black hole. No! No! Uh-oh. Look at there. Earth somehow survived that disaster. Okay, Earth. You want to be small? Let's add a basketball. Okay, all these, like, the pool ball is barely visible. But maybe, like, yeah, these are tiny little things. The Great Pyramid. Ah! Let me turn down the time a bit. Just try and help the game not completely freak out. Look how fast Earth is moving through. You can just see how small Earth is compared to the Great Pyramid. Okay, let me put this, like, over here. It's probably gonna suck Earth in. Quick, make Earth smaller! Make it smaller! What are these? Oh, those are the dice in the pool ball. They're just following Earth. Like asteroids. Okay, radius. Create all that steam. really tiny. It's like as tall as a person now. Oh, it's microscopic. Ah. Like, these dust particles are bigger than Earth. Like, that's a little insane. Come on, let me click on Earth now. I'm trying to click on the Earth. There we go. Right? No? That's not Earth. There we go. Earth. Just make it a little smaller. Now let's see what it looks like next to like something like a bowling ball. This is like basically the moon, a bowling ball. Moving through space insanely fast. I'm gonna turn down the time even more. Oh well. That's the smallest of these. Definitely not this. I'll do that. Anyways, earthy friend, you will become even smaller. It will shrink into a tiny dot. It's a meter, it's in the centimeter zone. It's in the centimeter zone. The mass is still going down, so it's kind of becoming gas. That's why where all the gas is. Maybe because it needs to shrink, it's making all of it. But look, that's a lot of gas everywhere. A lot. A lot. Oops, I made it a little bigger. Less than 50 centimeters, half a meter. So at this point, how much does it weigh? Does it say how much? A bunch of inclination. Orbital period, 51.5 days. There's nothing to even orbit. I guess mass is kind of like weight. Kilograms. Can you say it in yeah. At this point, somebody could kind of hold it in their hands, but I think it's too heavy for that. Maybe somebody really strong. Okay, now let's compare it to the bowling ball, which I don't know where it went, or a pumpkin. The pumpkin is like as big as Earth. Why is this marble like broken on the picture? Is it marble? No, it's time for the bowling ball. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. It just has a big group of friends following it through space. That's funny. I wonder why they're going the exact same speed. Anyways, let's just shrink this more. You know, that's good. Everybody likes shrinking. How fast is this moving? Probably really fast. Okay, you can measure it in millimeters now. I think that might make it go a little faster. Let's just skip a bit and just go to 50. Oh, it's so tiny. Now, it's time for another comparison. What if we put Diemos? Oh, it's so big. They're all gonna get sucked in, Earth and stuff. This is gonna mess up the orbit. Now, Earth is smaller than the pumpkin and everything else. I want to make it the size of a marble. 5 centimeters. It went from like over 6,000 kilometers or something, probably more than that, to like, you know, 2.5 centimeters. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed, and you can just watch me make it smaller.